I can't believe it. You're harder to catch than a leprechaun, man.
He's
For real.
been here for a minute, Judge.
This is the first time I've seen him in like 3 years.
Oh,
Well, maybe
well,
2.
he's been here since October.
How are you? You had cases, I guess, out of county. Was it Montgomery County or something like that?
Chambers.
Where was it? Chamber. Oh, ooh. Gotta be careful out there.
I know, they're coming on the highway.
Give me the last name again, please.
Colbert.
That's right, Mr. Coleman.
And he's on today's docket on the jail docket.
All right. So you just entered in these 2 probations.
Yes, sir.
Be very, very careful, because there's only so many times that they're going to bend over to help you.
Right from the jump, Judge Fleischer greets this guy like a long-lost legend. But make no mistake, this friendly banter hides a serious message. 2 felony probations mean he's walking a legal tightrope one misstep, and prison isn't a possibility. It's a guarantee. Watch how the judge mixes humor with hard truth. It's courtroom charisma at its finest.
Go out before they send you to prison. So you have to have a halo on your head when you're on 2 felony probations, especially for this, what you got now.
Yes, sir.
It's not hard. If you're hanging around bad people, they're going to bring you down. It's just a matter of time. Just break away. Here you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. So it's a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 118 days that you've already done. This will go on your record. You need to understand from now on, with us here in misdemeanor, any more cases that you ever pick up, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in jail.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to test for any behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no turning back.
Sir.
This is what you want to do.
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? I'll find you guilty. I'll sentence you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 118. If it's enhanced, abandon, please. Good luck. Just follow the rules. And if you ever have any problems, go back to the court. You're in a friendly court. They'll help you out. No issues, ever. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Coleman. Thank you.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, the deal is this, ma'am. We can't get a hold of your lawyer. We don't know where he is. We've been trying to get him for hours. He tested negative, which is great.
That's good news to hear.
So
I didn't know.
we're going to reset your case out, okay? We're going to give you paperwork to try to get a hold of the lawyer. We'll give you a couple weeks. If you're unable to get a hold of him, just let us know, okay? Come back. Don't leave. Come back to court. Good things happen when you come back. Can you make sure that he comes back? This is the 3rd time.
Oh, yes,
Please.
well, see, I didn't know about the other court because he'd been in court already.
We're going to give you the reset. That way you have it, so you know when the next court date
Right.
is. Okay?
Because
They said I got a feeling I cleared that.
Say it again.
They said I had a feeling I cleared that.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So we'll give you the reset. Just stay in touch. We'll try to get in touch with the lawyer. He's supposed to get a hold of you within 24 hours. If not, let us know, and then we'll go further.
okay.
Just stay in contact with the lawyer, okay? And take your medicine, Mr. Ali, okay? Okay, you guys have any questions?
Oh, you just come back for the court date and then,
Yeah, I guess I really don't want to talk to you without your lawyer. So the only thing, I guess, just we need him here, and I just can't get a hold of him. So we'll reset your case, and hopefully he'll reach out to you today so that we can try to come up with a game plan. Okay? If he doesn't get a hold of you, just let us know, and we'll go from there, I guess.
all right.
Okay?
Judge, what's the age of the case?
No, they got to come back. Just 2 weeks.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But come back. Come back. Okay? All right. Okay, guys. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
I'm coaching on Nicholas Holland, and basically, we're trying to see what we can get done here. I think there's a rep for inpatient. We're trying to see if you would accept any intensive outpatient. And either way, we're gonna have to, just get through the holidays and do something, but it's gonna be one of those two, and it's ultimately which one you'll kind of bless.
I don't know. Should we do a TRAS?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Holland, come up.
He did the TRS and the recommended SATF.
This is why we do this beforehand. You know what I mean?
What?
This, so we know exactly what to expect, Yeah. I don't know, Tad, why? I mean, we have you evaluated by clinicians for a reason. These people know what they're doing. They've done it 100 times, and they know the best way to.
Here's where Judge Fleischer shifts from stern to philosophical. He's not just talking about rehab, he's giving a masterclass on life under pressure. Notice that line about how you deal with stress. That's bigger than the courtroom. So tell me, do you think tough love like this really changes people? Or does it just sound good in court? Drop your thoughts.
Move forward with the case. That's why we do it. I cannot tell you how many times we've done a TRAS, we've deviated from what they say, and then we end up in a worse position because something happens. Now, I know you're going to tell me everything is little bunnies jumping in the woods, but you can never anticipate in life what's going to happen. And the problem is how do you deal with the stressors that come in life? Because that's what really defines a person. We all have issues, we all have problems, and they always come at the worst time. But the most important thing is, how do you deal with the stresses when they come? Do you turn destructive, self-destructive? Do you turn destructive in the public, right? Where you do something to endanger the public. That's why we have this. What they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Say it again?
I said, what they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Because you do have a job and
Yes, sir.
you have been working at this job for a while.
Yes, sir, for like a year and a half.
Right, you've been very successful at this job.
Yes, sir. I'm a supervisor.
Okay. And that's what I'm saying. Even before we've done these things, you're already starting to turn things around.
Yes, sir.
And that's the kind of stuff, tell the judge how you've been turning things around. He needs to hear something to make him think that maybe, at least make him consider, outpatient rather than inpatient. Tell him, how your life has changed in the last year and a half.
Okay. Well, after I got the scram bracelet that you put on me, I knew that I knew it was like over with the games, the BS and all that stuff. And I just had to do right and do what I'm supposed to do. And I started just doing better at work because I wasn't drinking alcohol no more. Started doing better at work. They moved me up to a supervisor.
That's wonderful.
Started letting me manage money, invoices and stuff like that. And I just stopped hanging around the crowd of people that I was hanging around that go out and drink and party a lot. And I've just kind of been staying home or hanging out with my mom more. And,
my mom used to tell me, dime con quien andas y yo te digo quién eres. It means, tell me who you hang out with,
yes, sir.
and I'll tell you who you are. And it's when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Tad, let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Let me send him for a drug and alcohol test right now. Let's see. If he's clean, I'll acquiesce. But I'm going to tell you now, one problem, because I don't know, I'm not agreeing to this, but I will tell you that if we do go forward with this intensive outpatient treatment and you muck up, get ready, because I don't play.
That's fair.
So
Yes, sir.
let's send him. I'm going to send him now for a drug and alcohol test. If he's clean, I'm with you. But
Can't thank you enough. That's more than fair.
okay, all
More
right,
than fair.
all right. So
Gonna be clean, right?
let's do this, Tad.
I know you will. Not be able to.
Let me see if I have your cell phone so I can tell you when he comes back. Let me see.
Okay. And
I don't have. Do you mind? Here, give me your cell phone real quick, and then just hang tight. We're going to send you, and then just come right back, and then I'll text him, and then we'll do everything.
Where do you want me to go, to the jury box?
No, you can just sit out there. Sure, of course. This is your cell phone?
Yes.
Okay, I'll text you when he comes back.
And then whatever we're gonna do, we'll reset it to do it.
No, we'll do it today.
But if you're sitting the inpatient, can we get through the holiday?
I'm not gonna agree. I don't know. Let's see first how he does.
Okay, well.
Let's just see.
They bring him out.
Okay?
Mr. Ozio Olvera. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to pull it up. Olvera or Vasquez Olvera?
Yeah, okay.
So his, the misdemeanor is
Oh, he's not here, is he?
he's here. He's back
That's
there. He told me that he hired, counsel last week. So he's waiting on him to come in and sign on.
Mr. Olvera, come up. Or, no, just hold on a second. Hold on, Mr. Olvera. Let's do this. Mr. Arispe, I forgot to do something while you were here earlier. And I essentially also wanted to wait for your lawyer to get here. You're on your terroristic threat. I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for.
This is the courtroom's turning point. A protective order just got dropped. And it's no joke. The judge calls it the capital murder of misdemeanors for a reason. Violating it can land you behind bars fast. You can almost feel the shift from warning to final chance. Stick around, this is where second chances either get earned or erased.
Emergency protection. What that is a court order that identifies Ms. Hernandez Martinez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of the Muskegon Street house. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. There's also two other.
The only thing I want you to understand is you have not complied with bond conditions. You now, bless you, you now have an order for protection. If you violate this one, the state can and will file a violation protective order, and it's the capital murder of misdemeanors. It's one of the worst cases that you can pick up. It's so bad that if you violate conditions on a VPO, I can have a hearing to hold you at zero bond until these cases are over with. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Heed this warning. You won't get another. Okay? We'll just have you sign it and then we'll put you back. Okay, I think, do you need anything else from me on that? We're good, right? I think we're good. Okay. Come up.
See, I wasn't lying. Didn't notice. I got
All right, good morning, Mr. Olvera. We're not waiting for a lawyer. Your case is 181 days old, and today's the day for you to decide what we're going to do. If you wanted to have a lawyer, that lawyer should have been here today. You've had nearly 6 months to go get a lawyer, and now, on the day of decision, you can't just say, well, I got a lawyer to, no. Today is the day. We need to figure out where we're going with this case. You can either accept the plea bargain offer from the state. If you don't, we're going to set your case for trial.
I didn't even know there was an offer already.
Well, what's the offer in this case?
There's no offer currently on the case. I can speak
It's
to
180 days. How is there no offer?
Ms. Saba and see if she wants to put one on right now.
Please.
Yes.
All right, just go ahead, take a seat. We'll figure it out and then I'll get back to you. If anything, I'll give you a couple days, but I'm not giving you much time. You get the offer today and you get a couple days to figure it out, but I'm not waiting you any more than that.
Okay.
Do you understand? Let's see what they offer. Perhaps you have something you like today.
Judge, as his current lawyer, the felony is the underlying crime for his misdemeanor. So I would not advise him to take any offer, no matter what it is, so.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even know that he had a felony. What's going on with the felony?
Your Honor, on the felony,
Wow, it's a big time theft, huh?
felony either, Your Honor.
I can email the felony prosecutor, judge, and see what's going on. They haven't put in an offer yet. I can put in an offer on my case. It's the UCW, but I just need to run it by felony first.
Then when you email them, see where it's headed. Are you gonna put an offer on the case?
Well, it's out of the same transaction.
What happened? I see it's a big theft. Is it car?
So it was an auto theft, Your Honor, yes.
Do you want us to read?
No, but what's the value? 40,000, 50,000?
The value is approximately 56,000.
Okay. Yeah, so can you give us a little bit? Let's see what they say. Perhaps they'll give us a little bit of guidance on how they want to go forward and,
I'll email them right now.
thanks.